Today, you're going to learn how to say the days of the week in Italian with the correct pronunciation for each one of them and also some basic Italian phrases related to the days of the week. These are all essential basic Italian words and phrases that you need to know if you're learning Italian. I'm Valentina Stella, native Italian tutor, top-rated tutor on the language learning platform 𝗕𝗂𝗶𝗰, where I've taught more than 4,000 Italian classes so far. And if you want to learn how to say the days of the week in perfect Italian, you will love this video. So keep watching and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now for more. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Okay, let's start with the days of the week in Italian. We start with Monday, and the week in Italian always starts with Monday. Monday is lunedì. Lunedì. Tuesday, martedì. Martedì. Wednesday, mercoledì. Mercoledì. Thursday, giovedì. Giovedì. Friday, venerdì. Venerdì. Saturday, sabato. Sabato. Sunday, domenica. Domenica. Okay, let's repeat them all in Italian only. Lunedì, martedì, mercoledì, giovedì, venerdì, sabato, domenica. Molto bene. Remember that days of the week in Italian are masculine, except for domenica, which is feminine. And that's because the word for day in Italian is masculine itself. Here's how we say day in Italian. Giorno. Giorno. Molto bene. So now you know the days of the week in Italian. Let's learn how to say the days of the week in Italian. That is i giorni della settimana. I giorni della settimana. Perfetto. Now, another important word to know about the days of the week is how to say weekend in Italian. Keep in mind that we use the word weekend in English a lot in Italian, but we actually have an Italian word for that, and that is fine settimana. Fine settimana. Remember that weekend is masculine, so if you want to say the weekend, that in Italian is il fine settimana. Il fine settimana. Okay, now let's learn a few more words that are related to days of the week. How to say today in Italian. That is oggi. Oggi. Yesterday, ieri. Ieri. Tomorrow, domani. Domani. Okay, and finally, a couple of basic Italian phrases for when you talk about the week. So, here's how we say what day is today in Italian. Che giorno è oggi? Che giorno è oggi? Today is. Oggi è. Oggi è. So, if you want to say today is Saturday, oggi è sabato. Oggi è sabato. Molto bene. And if you want, let me know which day is today for you. Che giorno è oggi per te? Leave me a comment down below. Now you know how to say the days of the week in Italian with the correct pronunciation for each one of them and also some useful basic Italian phrases to use when you talk about days of the week. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel right now for more. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. And now I want to hear from you. What other basic Italian words and phrases would you like to learn? Let me know by leaving a comment below right now. Ciao da Valentina!